We are live. We are live. We are live. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are we doing? Payman, welcome. Hello, mate. Ashan, welcome. Good to see you. What we'll do, wait for some guys to come in first before get announcing a few things. Imran, nice to see you again, man. How you doing? Hope you're all well. Yeah, I'm all good, thank you, Ashan. How are you doing? Sazmin, I'm all good, thank you. Not too bad. How are you? Hope you're all good as well. So I'm going to be trading this 100k account just for our streams on Wednesdays. So we'll try and get a nice trade in if the setup arises. But yeah, not in an active trade at the moment. No worry, nope, not at all yet. I am waiting for a closure outside of this range, between 269237 and 269935. Formed a new resistance and new support. We have clean, nice clean candles. We get a closure below 40 pips, and then after that, we've got a nice 130 pip move. So just gonna wait for that. Above, it's a bit more tricky. I am just using this as a resistance at the moment, but we have got this wick fill for 30 pips. But it's a bit choppy there. If we don't get the correct closure above there, then I will be waiting for a closure above 2702 flat, because I believe we look left above 2702 flat, looking left, looking left, looking left. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Wow, man, it's so much easier on TradingView to do this. I'm not going to give up on it though. Looking left after all that choppiness. Here we come. Yay, bingo. So after the choppiness, if we do get a closure above 2702 flat, look at these lovely clean candles. I'm just going to mark them out now, save me going back and forth. So yeah, we've got clean candles coming all the way up to 2720. So yeah, this area might be a no trade zone, but we'll see. I'm going to check out the higher time frames now. I'll show you what I mean. We do get that closure above. So if we check out the half an hour as well, what we'll do is some top-down analysis in a second when a few more people join. I'll announce a few things. But yeah, that no trade area there is the break of the previous hourly wick, which is quite nice after a bearish candle. So we'll see. But yeah, obviously daily, we've created a nice bottom wick. It's in a bit of a stalemate zone at the moment on the daily, because we have nearly tapped into that previous resistance. But we have made a nice lower wick, and we're now beginning to push up bullish again. But at the beginning of the day, we did have a nice run up, then rejected. Now we're back at pretty much open price on the daily. Based on the 4 hour, we've got a nice support formed to my eyesight 2686.14, and then we've got a nice resistance formed where we've marked out at 2699. Hourly, we've just checked out, and then coming back down to the half an hour and a 15-minute. Always got to make sure all time frames align. Let me just check out through the comments. Time frames up here, guys. As you can see, I work off the 15-minute for my entries. Oh, didn't mean to click on that. Oh, that is quite cool. Yeah, I'll be going over a few things that we'll learn in a second. Okay, so first things first, before getting any further, we are doing 3, yes, not 1, not 2, not 1, not 2, but 3 5k account giveaways. So in order to enter on this stream, their giveaway, you have to make sure that you like this stream. So you do that now. Let's get them out of the way now for the guys that are in here. Like the stream, Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following Funding Frontier. And then if you go to the description, you can sign up for your entry there. Please sign up to the newsletter, and your entry will be in the description. And at the end of the stream, I will announce the winners. So make sure you stay for the stream. And at the end, in an hour's time or so, I'll announce the winners. So yeah, get that done now, guys, for sure. Imran, December is always tricky, yes. So I'm not going to force anything. But if we get a nice setup, we get a nice setup. 15-minute time frame. Hello, merchant. Hello. I am funded, yep. I've got 3 funded accounts at the moment. This account is a fresh challenge account. That's just going to be my live streaming account for the Wednesdays with Funding Frontier. So brand new account, brand new fresh one. It's 100k, but I know it's like $2 down because I just did a quick test, a 0.01 lot to make sure we're all up and running okay. But yeah. Could you open trading your Ryan? Zasmine, I'm not sure what you mean. Trading? Could you open your trading? This is a fresh account. If you mean open your trading history, this is it. Because it's a fresh account. Nothing's been done. SRC. Yeah, SRC / my own strategy of Market Cruiser. CPI is today, so we do have to be wary, 100%. Naman, good to see you too. Please switch to trading view chart. I haven't got that set up right now. So can't do anything about that. I'll do that next time if you prefer looking at trading view. But if I take a trade, I need to be on MT5, right? But yeah, we're stuck on this for today. What time frame am I in? 15-minute at the moment. Ronaldo, no worries. Good to see you, man. Yeah, if you're in for the giveaways as well, man. Like, yes, the giveaways are cool, 100%. Stay for the giveaways. Make sure you enter properly. Make sure you take some value out of this trading session as well. Malik Zain, I'm good, thank you, mate. How are you doing? Veronica, yes, there is in the description. The link's in the description. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and the link is in the description. Funding Frontier. This is Funding Frontier. As you can see at the top, it says Funding Frontier. I'm not going to trade CPI, the actual news. No way. That's too risky. It's like gambling. I'd never trade news. Never, ever trade news precisely. So news is at 1:30. For me, it's 11:37 at the moment. That's GMT time. Thoughts on CPI? Normally bullish. But I mean, I do not trade news. Like, news can come out. You can do all the predictions you want. The news can come out, and it can be the complete opposite direction, and you've just gambled away your money. So, I don't trade news. I just don't. Anyone that promotes trading news is gambling. You put a buy stop and a sell stop. Yeah, it's fun to watch, right? It's entertaining to watch. It can be rewarding, but it can also absolutely blow your account. For me, it's not good. It's not good discipline. It's not good patience. It's not good trading strategy. Great, man. Your psychology is too strong. Yeah, honestly, I will stick to my rules. I won't go outside of my rules. So trading, when news is at 1:30, right? So at 1 o'clock, this is GMT, 1 o'clock, I won't trade from up until news. I will not trade the news. And then I'll wait for the news to settle for about 15 minutes to half an hour. And yeah, Christoph. He's at the dentist and he's entered the giveaway. Let's go. Let me know if I win later. Well, good luck. You got to stay on the stream. You got to stay on the stream. But yeah, have it on in the background at the very least, and you can listen in. How many years have you been trading? I keep saying 4.5, but actually we're about to end of 2025, so it'll be coming up to 5 years trading now. Biggest loss slash profit. Well, I've always traded prop firms. So on the 100k, it's got to be. No, I lost. I think I lost about 3.5% in one trade. That was my biggest loss. And then biggest win. The biggest win has to be the 100 pip move I caught in my group, my community. So if anyone's from my community, Crucifix and Market Cruiser in the chat, we caught a 100 pip move. I did secure partials along the way. So the whole thing was 100 pips, but the runners did go for 100 pips, and then I closed at the big 3 figures on the 3 digits on the 100 pips. So yeah, that was my biggest trade. That's why you have so much discipline 5 years in the markets. Yeah, 100%. The more experience you have, the more discipline you get. But if you can be disciplined from the beginning, but you have to follow that. You have to follow your plan. You have to follow that strategy. But I'm waiting for a closure outside here now, right? Or a nice setup. We might be forming a new resistance at this level here. Let's see. So we've got 3 minutes to the end of this candle closure. So we might form a new resistance at this level. I'm just trying to get all my windows correct. Don't like it that much, but we may form a new smaller resistance in here. Then we have this clean candle still. So we'll look out for that in a few minutes, but I won't. Oh, man. There we go. OSM. Don't know what that means. What's your best advice for risk in one day? Don't risk more than 2% per trade. 1 to 2% per trade and 1 to 2 trades a day. That's the best advice I'll give you. What do you think maximum return in funded in a week? What do you think maximum return in funded in a week is better? Don't know what that means. Don't know what you mean. Might have to reword that for me. Catalan, I admire your patience, and I see you close some positions too early, or you don't let the runner go. I admire your patience. Thank you. I see you close some positions too early. Says who? Who's saying I close them too early? Like, I'm following my plan. I'm following my strategy. 79% win rate in the Market Cruiser since we started 4 months ago. So I'm just following my plan, my strategy, doing the same thing every day. Or you don't let the runner go. Well, I do let the runner go. Don't know what about. Smith, well done. Thank you. Hey, man. What's the plan for gold? What are you looking at right now? So I'm waiting for a closure outside this range. We're obviously ranging, created a new support, created a new resistance. We've got clean candles to the downside, really nice 40 pip move to the downside. And then below that, below this area here, we still got another 100 pips clean candles. So I'm waiting for that closure first. Other than that, closure above isn't as clean because we've got this choppy nature. So this could be a no trade range, but we do have this nice wick fill for 30 pips. So if we get a clean closure and I like it, I might, with volume, take the buys out. If not, it's a no trade range. And then above there, hit this area, the 2702. All of this here, 170 pips, clean candles to the left. So we do get a closure above that no trade range. Could be beautiful. So we'll stay patient. We'll stay patient. What is your Smith? What is your greatest fear in trading? Do you know what my greatest fear is now? I think I have my strategy. I have my plan. I know that I'm consistently profitable. My greatest fear. Let me just check out the charts. Hang on. I haven't got a bottom wick on this candle. I don't like the overlapping wick. want to see because we created a new resistance here right now, but I don't like this overlapping wick. But if we can break the lows and then re-break the highs, I like that as an MC play. So we'll look out for that. But in the meantime, we'll chill. Get that up. We'll see. The greatest fear, back to the greatest fear in trading. Has to be because I teach others, right? I am confident in my own trading. I'm confident in my strategy, confident in my own consistency. My biggest fear, right? I think from where I used to be a teacher and now an actual teacher in schools, I care a lot. And my biggest fear is when I'm teaching others and I'm helping others take trades, etc. That would be my fear, that I don't want to fail them, if that makes sense. I need to see progression in them. I need to see them doing well, and I don't want to let them down. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's for me. That's me in a nutshell, really. Luckily, we're doing really well in the group, so I'm over the moon with that. As long as everyone sticks to the plan, sticks to strategy, sticks to what I'm teaching, then there's no reason why my students shouldn't make progress. Let me go back up to the comments. There's 3 5K account giveaways, yes. What strategy do you use in the market for analysis? A mixture of SRC and MC. MC is market cruiser, which is me. Do you trade in any other pairs? Nope. What is gold doing? It's going down. $300 account giveaway, but learning from stream, you get account if you get lucky. Yes. In one trade, if hit stop loss or hit TP, how much you lose or take profit on percent? No more than 2% loss. And I might take 1%, I might take 0.5%, I might take 2%. Depends on the trade, depends on the market structure, depends on the clean traffic to the left-hand side. Do you have any plans for 2025? My plan for 2025. I'm going to take it as it comes, to be honest. I'm looking forward to 2025. We're nearly at full capacity of my group. I want that to get to full capacity, and then I've got a nice solid group to trade with and teach. So that'd be a big goal of mine. In terms of trading, securing some more 6-figure accounts. Securing 6-figure accounts would be nice. I've got lots of 5-figure accounts, so I need to get some 6-figure accounts. Well on the way to that. Yeah. I understand. You're a good-hearted person. You don't want to see your student lose and suffer. 100%. There's a lot of mentors out there that don't care about their students. They've got thousands and thousands and thousands, right? They don't care if they win or lose. They're just looking for membership money or whatever. But I genuinely care about making progress. I used to be a teacher, again, of stress. And as a teacher, your job is to progress your students, right? And see progression. So if I don't see progression in my students, I haven't done my job, essentially. When is the next simulation? Next Wednesday. How do I handle losing trades? I have my stop loss. If it hits it, it hits it. I trust my analysis. Sometimes if I go into lots of profit and it comes back down and starts flipping, then I might close out. Depends on the trade. How do you manage your risk? If I go into profit, so I'll put stops to break even, about 10-15 pips. And then close some partials, and I'll trail my stop loss but below 15-minute candles. I am Malik Zain. Give me a shout out. There's your shout out. any tip to control over trading? Don't do it. Just do 1 to 2 trades a day and that's it. Leave it after that. You're done. You're done. 1 to 2 trades, win or loss or break even. Just close the charts. Go and enjoy your day. That's why we're all traders, right? You want freedom. You want to be financially free and you want time free. Time's so precious. So go do 1 to 2 trades. Wait for the best setup. Only wait for the best probable setup. Don't just rush any trade. When you've done it, close the charts, you're done. Come back the next day. Amar, you're on Discord. Nice one. Good. Nice to see you again, mate. Today, Ryan's been flooded with questions. Yeah, that's all okay for me. That's okay. I don't mind. Are we going to get an MC play? Are we going to get an MC play? 8 minutes left of the hourly. Not sure about that. Just looking on my trading view chart. Don't mind it. Don't mind these buys at the break of the previous wick. On the MC play, stops below current candle. Might be worth a go. Go for that. Make sure we get our stops in place. Run TP up to that previous resistance. So we've taken the liquidity out, all right, on the resistance. And we should continue to drive. Pretty hard rejection, not liking that. But this should be the break of the previous half an hour candle as well. Break of the highs. Hourly's going bullish. Breaking the previous wick. So don't mind it at all. $28 pip stop loss, 1.5% risk, not too bad. How much are we running at the moment? 5 pips in profit. We've got 7 minutes to the end of the candle, so we'll see how we close. If it flips bearish on the half an hour, our trade's invalid, right? So hit the stops and that's okay. 1.5%. But I like how we've had a nice run up from the new support. Should we test them highs? 4 hours bullish. Daily's bullish. 1 hour is bullish. Half an hour bullish. 15-minute taking out the lows. We're bullish. So yeah, all time frames really, really nice. So I like the trade. To take sells would be a bit criminal because everything is bullish. Even the weekly, everything's bullish. Like, so I like how we've taken out liquidity, enticed sellers into the market. Would like to see us continue to drive at this point. New 5 minutes starting now. Should see us drive at the rebreak of this current high. That's what I would anticipate and like to see. Shame about the current 5 minute, not really bottom wick, but with volume. Here we go, a little bit more of a push. 7 pips. We want more like 10 at least. Zoom. Nearly there. Oh, just going to get a nice 10 pips. We had 9. 9.4. I've been noticing that recently, like we've been getting in the last few minutes of candles at the moment, we've been getting loads of volume out of nowhere. Yeah, trusting in the analysis on this one. If we can close above this bearish candle, I would like to hold it still. If we respect the previous low on the bearish candle, then we still anticipate to drive up. As long as we finish bullish, that would be nice. Two minutes left on the candle. Let me check out the trading view chart. How are we looking, guys? Still a few pips up. Couple minutes till candle closure. Doesn't look as nice now. See how we close in 1 more minute. I was expecting that to drive up a lot quicker in that moment. So, well, how many seconds we got? 30 seconds till candle closure. See how we close. Anything like this, then it's not that pretty. Could be a break-even trade, but we'll see. $10. How are we looking? Still hovering around. A few couple pips down. We have got the bullish closure, which is nice to hold, but I don't like how we've got either side of either wick. So I'm just going to close out a break even there, guys. But that's the trade. I expected the price to go in that candle. It didn't, and that's okay. So yeah, break even. I'm happy with that. Price goes now. It goes. It's got no bottom wick, which I don't like. So And look at the half an hour, it's closing very small bullish. It's another reason to close out. The next candle could easily flip now and go down. So it's just too risky to hold that. Of course, it can go up now, but that's more luck, right? You don't know that the market's going to do that, especially with no bottom wick. The previous hourly failed to break the previous high or low at that point. So yeah, happy to be out that. Obviously, look, it's going up now, but one of the main things in trading, you've got to stick to your plan strategy. And my strategy in that trade was for price to continue up in that candle to see the highs, to retest the highs, right? And my strategy, that half an hour candle has finished weak bullish, which to me could easily indicate that bullish momentum slowing down and we can get retracement now. So I want to be out of that. If it goes up, it goes up, and you just have to be okay with it. But yeah, let me get in the comments, guys. Let's see. Best way to cut over trading is to cut electricity out of the house. Yeah. What do you think about Asian session to trade? At the moment, it's been not bad, but setups don't play out the same, and volume is typically lower, so I don't trade Asian, and I'm asleep. How will you know when your strategy start failing? My strategy won't fail. It's consistently profitable. So, but do you mean when to get out of a trade? Like for instance, this strategy here, in that trade, I didn't like how it played out in that candle because it closed very weak bullish. So that's when I'm like, I'm getting out of that trade. I don't want to be in it. Do you stream pre-London session daily? I do it in my Market Cruiser group. So in my community, I do stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for pre-London and London session. Nice look to buy a break previous high. Yeah, we gave it a go. Out of break even, no issue there. Funding Frontier arranging this session is amazing. Oh, I love to hear that. That's really nice to hear. Thank you. Ryan, please make a call and push gold up. Yeah, I tried, bro. I tried. How to deal with a losing streak. Don't let a losing streak phase you. If you've got plan and strategy, then just keep going. Do not revenge trade. Do not differ anything in your plan. Don't deviate away from it. You're on a losing streak. We went in Market Cruiser. I went on a 2 or 3 losing streak. Right, it makes you feel a bit like deflated, doesn't it? But I didn't deviate from my plan. I secured the same amount of pips. I still secured the same positions. I stuck to the same setups. And now today we're like, what are we on? 61 wins. 6 break even, 16 losses or something like that. So yeah, nearly 80% win rate. So don't worry about losing streaks, they happen. As of now, gold is ... What advice would you give new traders to not make mistakes, those you have made as a beginner? Do stick to learn one strategy. Please do not go and learn 3 other strategies because you've got a few losses. You have to stick to one and master it. For me, sticking to my strategy, like SRC/MC, is the most effective way of learning. And I started out with SRC, and then it worked out a bit, and then it didn't work out because I thought, oh, it's just a strategy, but it's actually you. But then I went and learned 3 other strategies, maybe 4. Did 4 other courses. But you stick to one. Stick to the simplistic, most yet effective one. That's the best advice. We have some boat now. Good, Ryan. That's good. This is evaluation. Yep, this is a fresh one just for live streams. By the way, guys, look at that. How much drawdown we would be in right now if we didn't get out of that trade. 16 pips. Why? Because I stuck to my plan, I stuck to my strategy. Price didn't go when I wanted it to. The half an hour weak bullish candle suggesting that bullish momentum slowing down. Now we are going bearish. So look at that. Saved myself a loss. That's because I stuck to my plan and strategy. I take that as a win, by the way. Absolutely. Hope so. One day I'm also want to be patient like Ryan while I was in the trade, doing my best, also getting more. 100%, man. Just honestly, stick to that one plan, stick to your strategy, stick to 3 or 4 setups, stick to one pair, and you'll get there. 100%. You got a good entry. Yeah, it was a lovely entry. Just didn't push when I wanted it to, but that's fine. Got out break even. You're doing a great job, Ryan. Thank you. You're looking to extend TP. I do look to extend TPs when I've secured partials. But yeah. Yeah, my prediction is buy on the next candle, flip a 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, if this candle does respect the previous low and flips bullish again, there's a good opportunity for buys. But the trade idea for me was we grabbed liquidity on the previous candle, then broke the highs, but then seeing this previous half an hour weak bullish candle, do not like it. So I'm staying well away from that. W, yeah, man, like, well done if you secured them positions. It got 9.6 pips. I just wanted to get to 10 and I would have closed out. Bit of spread. Because of spread, I probably had about, let me check. So look, 9.7 pips minus the spread, which is like 2 pips. So I probably had about 8 pips or just less than 8 pips. So my plan is to get about 10, go to break even, score partial, let runners run, especially for like the first live stream. Or at least fill some more of this range. So it didn't happen, and that's fine. If you did secure partial, though, well done. Like some of you might have got 10 pips, based off the fact spreads can differ, but you know. W, let's go, let's go, let's go. So it looks like some people did get in. Nice, nice, nice. Ryan, it's not looking nice. I'm still catching up with loads of comments. No, that's why we got our break even. No loss is a win, 100%. Well done. Yeah, good quote there. No loss is a win. Yes, yes, yes. Nice move. Nice, nice, nice. Good one, stayed out. W man, impressive. Thank you. Ryan, please explain every week. Should we need to do back testing of our strategy? Yeah, it's good to do back testing, 100%. GG, Ryan is Santa today. Yeah. So guys, there is 20 minutes left of the stream, 22 minutes, 9.6 pips. Did you secure? I will sounder. Did you secure? We were so close. We were so close. Do you practice meditation? No, I don't, Paymon, but actually, I was thinking about it recently. I was sitting in my room. Can get a bit stressed sometimes, a bit tired in the morning. So I was listening to some calming music and I was just sitting there with my eyes closed like this. I thought, meditation could be really good. I know a lot of traders do it, so I was thinking maybe I might start. Brother, I am doing trading full time, not profitable, and trying to win funded to trade because you don't have the fun. My suggestion is, because you're doing it full time and you're not profitable, you're putting a lot of stress on your trading. Therefore, you're not trading properly how you should be in the right mindset. So for me, before I went full-time trading, I was part-time trading, and then I did part-time hours at my job. So I still had the secure income. And then I transitioned when I had enough funded accounts, had enough funding, and my trading was at most consistent it's ever been. Then I was ready to move on to full-time. But yeah, I'm over. I know could have got tapped out and spread on that trade, to be honest. Stopped it there. But I'm over the moon with closing there. I'll take that as a W, the break even, because I followed my plan. Oh, what are these arrows? Oh, that's the tester. Tester 0.01. These bliss trade before. Oh, we did make some profit today, guys. $35. But yeah, I'm over the moon with taking out there. If the candles are showing you that you shouldn't enter the trade, or you shouldn't still be in the trade, don't stick around and hope. Don't stick around and hope the next candle is going to go up. If that bullish candle is telling you it's weak, get out. Santa Cruz. Win impressive. Yeah, some people did get the W's off that, so well done. Good breakdown. Thank you. When you decided to quit job and become full-time trader? When I had enough funded accounts, and I was getting good consistent payouts. I was journaling my trades, and I started getting enough money that I could be comfortable with. Because you've got to prepare to lose as well, right? So if you do get losses, are you still comfortable enough to live? Bills, family, food, everything. So 20 minutes or so for stream ends. Make sure you are entered in the giveaway because we're going to be announcing them soon. So you just need to like this stream, make sure you follow in, make sure you subscribe. Funding Frontier. And in the description is the link to enter. Make sure you sign up there. And we've got 3 giveaways, 3 5k accounts. Please analyze more pairs on a weekly basis. I can analyze more pairs for your stream next week, maybe, or the week after. But I stick to gold, but I can analyze other pairs for you next week. What percentage of funded is safe? Heard about 2% is safe. What percentage of payouts do you get? Well, on my funded accounts, I just tend to get like 5% and then get a payout. And then I'm happy with that, and they all seem to be absolutely fine. So yeah, get your 3 to 5% payout, and then go again. Tell us your turning point. My turning point was when I decided to ditch taking every trade possible, every candle possible. My turning point was when I was stuck to being patient, and I chose 3 to 4 setups that I knew were high probability. And if they don't come up in that day, I won't trade it. I'll wait. I will wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. I'm not going to force a trade that's not there. What's the point? So yeah, patience, discipline, stick to 3 or 4 setups that you know are high probability. For that one, that setup there, we did have a bit of an engulfing wick, but taking the liquidity, we had the resistance formed, we had a support. We took liquidity to the downside. We then entered the trade for the buys. For me, that's a high probability setup. I think we got a break-even trade, but I just waited for that. I sort of do wait every day for that. Candle flipping, yeah, it is. But look, we would have been stopped out. We saved ourselves a loss, and I'll take that as a win today. And the candle is still open as well. So it's looking pretty grim. Guys, also, on Friday at Funding Frontier, listen up to this. On Friday, Funding Frontier, there is going to be some massive news. Like, I can't explain to you how hyped you need to be for this. The only teasing part now is that I can't tell you what it is yet. But stay active on the socials on Funding Frontier, and on my Instagram as well. Like, I'll be sharing all this as well. There's some massive news on Friday, but yeah, hype. It's going to be hype. It's going to be really, really good. It's really exciting. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. But for now, it's a secret for now. But Friday is the big day. Yeah, make sure you follow Funding Frontier on the socials. At Funding Frontier. Also follow myself as well. I'll be sharing all the big news as well. So, what's your Instagram name? It's at Ryan Cruz FX. Shall I put it in the comments? Will it help? At Ryan Cruz FX. There you go. That's my Instagram name. Thanks for clearing my confusion. No worries at all. And make sure you're following Funding Frontier as well on the socials. Just gonna make sure I've got, yeah, and at Funding Frontier. So stay active on them socials, TikTok, Instagram, everything like that. YouTube as well. But yeah, TikTok and Instagram. we'll be announcing the big news on Friday, so please stay tuned for that. It's going to be really exciting. It's massive. It's big. It's big. Mohammed, hello. How are you doing? I've been following you for a while now. Smith, awesome, man. Good to hear. Good to hear. Yeah, that's our trade for the day. Well done. If you kind of entered that with me, got out with me, or even if you secured some of the positions, well done. I just absolutely will take that as a win. That would have been a loss if you did get out break even. But like, I can't stress enough when the market is telling you the trade isn't going to play out, get out. We entered the trade. We finished with a weak bullish half an hour candle. And yeah, it told us to get out of the market because it's weak bullish. The momentum's going to slow down. And look, we've got that massive drive down on the bearish momentum. So we saved ourselves. In the comments. From start till now, still using Funding Frontier. That's why I'm in love with Funding Frontier. Really good to hear. Daniel, good to see you, man. www, love that. Funding Frontiers work for Iranians. Abbas, I'm not 100% sure on that. I'll have to check that for you. But it's all on the Funding Frontier website. All the terms and conditions of where we can be funded, etc. Good luck, everyone. Cool. Okay. So I've got the 3 winners' names. I'm going to announce them in 2 more minutes. 2 minutes. I'm going to announce the name of the 5K giveaway winners. All you need to do, send your email to just a DM to the Funding Frontier and send the email. How they be picked? I'm going to read them out in a minute. If you've entered, you've entered. It's done on a random pick, and I'll be announcing it in 2 minutes. Of course, the only entries that will be valid if you've liked the stream, if you've subscribed, followed, and then you've entered in the link in the description. If you haven't done them things, your entry is not in there, so make sure you get them done anyway. Yeah, 1 more minute. I'll announce the winners. But before I announce these winners, right, stay tuned for Friday. Big news coming out. And I just want you to take a lesson away from this trading session. We did get a trade, luckily, which is really nice. We ran for about 9 pips in profit, so nearly secured, which is just nearly, but that's fine. But what told us to get out? The fact we didn't quite close above, the trade didn't go when we wanted it to, and then look at this half an hour candle. We finished weak bullish. It told us to get out of break even, and that's what I did. Do not hold on for hope because you think maybe it'll go up. If the market is printing to you that it's going to start reversing, just get out, break even, done. Okay, guys. Can I get some W's in the chat for a little drum roll? Little W's in the chat for the drum roll. For winner. W's in the chat. Winner number 1. The first account, 5K account giveaway. The CLM W's I can see one W. Yeah, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. WWW. Awesome. Number telling me quick. Telling me to hurry up. I'll wait for a bit longer. No. One is I am Malik Zain. Well done to you. So congratulations. I am Malik Zain, account winner number 1. Can you just send a DM to Funding Frontiers Instagram with your email, please? Okay, account winner number 2 is www. Imran Sarwar. I hope I said that correctly, pronounced it correctly. Imran Sarwar, your account winner number 2. So 5k accounts coming your way. All you need to do is send your email to Funding Frontiers DM in Instagram. So give them a DM on Instagram just with your email and you're sorted. And the final winner, the third account giveaway, 5k account coming your way, is Himanshu Banker. I hope I said that correctly as well. Apologies if I didn't, but well done, guys. Himanshu Banker, Imran Sawa, I am Malik Zain. Well done to you 3. What you need to do, DM on Instagram, Funding Frontier, with your email. You've done it. So congratulations, guys. Loving the hype in the chat, by the way. I'm really, really pleased to see that. What a great community you guys are. So make sure you keep tuning into these. There'll be more in the future. Friday, big news. Friday, I've also got a Discord session with in the Funding Frontier Discord. So yeah. Awesome. Well done, guys, if you won the giveaway. Look at all these W's. Love this, guys. What a great stream. What a great stream. Didn't quite get the win, didn't take a loss, got a break even, and we learned a big lesson. If you took some value away from the stream, awesome. Well done. Love that. Look how much hype there is for other people winning. Well done. I love that. That's a sign of a good community, by the way. Maybe you didn't win the giveaway, but you turned up, you learned some trade knowledge, got a trade in there, and you're also pleased for other people winning. It's a sign of a good community. So we'll keep it growing, guys. Keep it growing, we keep it going. Look at the hype in the chat, man. Look at it go. But yeah, I'm going to end the stream in a minute, guys, but I'm just going to look at the charts. We've got news in an hour now. So I'm not going to be trading in about half an hour. I'm going to avoid trading anyway, but yeah, keep this zone is going to be a no trade zone now. I'm looking for sells if we get a closure below 2692 area. Clean candles to the left, clean candles to the downside again. But yeah, partials will be taken to this area, more partials down towards this area. Lovely 100 pip range. For buys, I'm just going to check the higher time frames here. Yeah, for buys, I don't want this resistance anymore. I want buys above 2702 now. We've got clean candles all the way up here. Perfect for buys. 180 pip drive. So clean candles above here, buys above, sells below. In this range here, no trade range. So hopefully we get that closure a bit later on after news. But yeah, make sure you stay patient, trade safe, don't risk more than 2% of the trade. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. So next Wednesday we're going to be doing a sim session. So tune in for that. And on Friday, get in the Discord. We're going to be doing a nice chill session. I'm going to see how your trading weeks went. In the Discord session on Friday, you're welcome to bring in some trades you've done in the week, and I will analyze them for you. I'll see what went right, what went wrong, where you can improve, or what you did well. So yeah, on Friday at 6 p.m. GMT, come in the Discord, and come and hang out and chill. It's like a nice classroom setting. It's really cool. So come out, hang out in there. But yeah, thanks for coming, guys. Thank you for the stream. On to the next one. HK Premium, am I late? Unfortunately, we are just ending the stream now. But thanks for turning up. It's 11:30 GMT normally. I'm gonna be going now, Simple Trader. So peace out, guys. See you later. Thanks for turning up.